Hi there, doctors and clinic owners. Welcome to this little short video introduction. It has been some time since I last spoke, but hey, forgive me. There's lots of things I'm catching up on, especially in the area of NFT. But nevertheless, to kickstart the next session of our sharing, which is called a 3DC in branding, don't take it literally that branding needs a lot of money, and branding is a big thing. It never was, right? But allow me to give you a short introduction into what we're going to do in the 3 sessions. We're going to talk about purely foundation. What is a foundation of a good brand, right? And next, on the second week, we talk about creating the right message to the right people. And then on the third one is how to create the influence, also known as authority and tribe. But today, I'm just going to give you a few short thinking. One is that let's sit down and say realistically, what does a brand mean to you? And I'll flash a few brands in a second. Now, I'm sure we are very familiar with these brands that I've just flashed to you, okay? And what does it mean to you? And immediately it correlates and you can somehow form a perception about what either an organization is about. You can form a perception of this product and or the benefits that it brings you. The word exactly is, what does this brand sell, the benefit. So in very simple terms, it's like, brand, do you need to be really big establishment to do it? If you're a single entrepreneur or single doctor running a singular clinic, is brand important to you? The answer is yes, because you just take it as an icon about who you really are, an artist in the aesthetic business. My name is ST. Let's catch up soon. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.